Nancy from the Mays Landing branch of the Atlantic County Library System, and today I am going to be showing you how to make candy sushi. So I'm going to tell you the ingredients, supplies that you need. You will need wax paper. This will prevent it from sticking to your surfaces. We will have Rice Krispie treats. You can make your own Rice Krispie treats if you are so inclined, but I really actively dislike making Rice Krispie treats, so I bought some. You need candy that you're going to fill your sushi with, and you need fruit roll-ups or something equivalent to wrap your sushi. So the first step is to open your Rice Krispie treat. I pre-flattened one, but what you're gonna do is you take a rolling pin, you're gonna push down and roll a little bit. Push down and roll. You keep doing that and doing that and doing that until it gets nice and flat. Then you are going to take your fruit roll up. I unwrapped mine ahead of time because they are kind of a pain to unwrap. You put your Rice Krispie treat on top. I'm using kitchen scissors to cut it with because that's the easiest way. Don't use a knife. It's very difficult. It pulls, it sticks. It doesn't have to be perfect, but roughly the same size. Okay, then you are going to take your fillings. In this case, I've got gummy worms and I've got Swedish fish. We're going to kind of stretch the Swedish fish out. And I have some sour airhead things, which I'll probably cut to make it match closer to the size of the sushi. You can always trim things at the end. All right, you're just going to kind of put them all, smushing them down at one end of your sushi base here. I guess the equivalent of the rice and the seaweed. And then you're just going to roll it. Slowly and steadily. All right, something that looks like this. It's all rolled up. You're going to take your knife. I did not remember to bring a knife from home, so I've got this lovely sharp one. Maybe trim off the ends. This one cuts it. It's kind of hard to cut through some of the sticky things, the chewy things, and the Rice Krispies, so you kind of want to press down on one side and flip it and press down on the other. I found that that works the best. There we go. Okay, here's your log, or roll, or whatever you would call this. Then you're going to just slice it into sushi-sized pieces. So again, I'm going to go like this, and I'm going to go like this, and eventually you break through it. Here's a piece, for example. You might need to kind of reshape it. Candy sushi. And when you're all done, you've got delicious candy sushi. Another thing you can do with this, when you're done, you're going to have leftover fruit roll-up most likely. So another simple thing you can do, and this is nice if you're making these for a formal occasion perhaps, if you just want to cut a Rice Krispie treat into little rectangular pieces, so when I cut into thirds, if you have a Swedish fish, you can just take that, put it right on top of one of your rectangles, then take a leftover piece of the fruit roll-up. Doesn't really matter, you can kind of twist them to be whatever size you want. And you're just going to wrap it around for a very elegant, like a sashimi type entree here, or appetizer. All right, looking pretty good. I'm going to bite it. Let me do it. Scrumptious. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the little bell to receive notifications of new videos that we post. Thanks. Bye-bye.